So we're going to start this at the top. We're going to unplug it here. We're going to start this at the top, and then we're going to work our way down. And it's kind of tricky to get it started.
Hey, Mom, when did modern day Christmas basically start? Mommy, no, don't plug it in. Can Eric plug it in?
Let him try.
No touch, no touch. It's going to be all wrapped all around the tree.
Mark, say Christmas is awesome.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's funny because in a way when it's plugged in I can actually see things better.
Yeah.
I usually have never done it plugged in, but I can kind of see.